Hey everyone, welcome back to another video here on Foxtecc. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and take screen videos of your iPad. Generally, it doesn't matter which iPad version you have, but of course some really old iPads might not work anymore. Anyways, let's get into it. First, let's ensure you have the screen recording toggle available in the control center. This is crucial because it gives you quick access to start recording anytime you need it. To do this, go to your iPad's settings, then tap on Control Center. Next, look for the option labeled More Controls and find Screen Recording in the list. Tap the green plus icon next to it to add the screen recording feature to your control center. This way, it's always just a swipe away. Now that we've got the setup out of the way, let's start a screen recording. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPad screen to bring up the control center. You should see the screen recording icon, which looks like a solid circle within a circle. Tap this icon to start recording. It's as simple as that. You'll notice a 3-second countdown before the recording begins, giving you a moment to prepare. If you want to include audio from your microphone in the recording, there's an extra step. Press and hold the screen recording icon in the control center. A new menu will appear showing a microphone button at the bottom. Tap this button to enable the microphone and you'll see it turn red, indicating that it's on. This feature is great for adding voiceovers or capturing ambient sounds during your recording. While recording, a red indicator will appear at the top of your screen, letting you know that the recording is active. And this visual cue is helpful to ensure that you're capturing everything you need. The screen recording function on the iPad is designed to be straightforward, capturing your screen at a default resolution and frame rate without needing any additional settings adjustments. For those who prefer more control over their recordings or want to get rid of the red indicator, there's an alternative method. You can connect your iPad to your Mac using a cable, open the QuickTime app on your Mac, and from there, you can select your iPad as the recording source. This method provides a bit more flexibility and can be particularly useful for professional purposes or longer recording sessions. That's all there is to it. You now know how to set up and start screen recordings on your iPad, including how to capture audio and use additional options for more control. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.